Девочки, я сейчас вам такое покажу. Джейсон Эклс читает мотивационные лекции. И вот с какой просьбой он ко всем обратился.
Do me a favor. Be willing to begin again. And again. And again. The best thing that happened in my career was not the roles I got, it was also the ones that I didn't. Because they all took me somewhere I could have never planned for. The detours were not detours. They were the road. Don't waste it on a small life. Take the risk. Travel to places you've never been. Try things that scare you. Apply for the thing that you might not get. Choose the friends who challenge you over the ones who agree with you. And when you fail, when, not if, you get back up, you take what you've learned, and you go again. Because here's the thing about not knowing where to start. It means you're still in the process. You're still becoming. I'm still becoming.
У меня много таких видео, подписывайся.